is so fucking
Yeah, I know.
freaking cool.
Going live
It's
on
way
all
better
the
than
things. Good
Whisper.
morning.
Yeah, it's way better than Whisper. And
Here
so
we
we
go.
can talk about right now and take a look.
Morning, Coach.
Morning, morning. Here we go. Going
Morning,
live.
Coach.
Good morning.
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Good morning, Coach.
Time to get this party started, baby. Sha, baby.
Good morning.
Opportunity of a lifetime.
Good morning on this beautiful Friday. I don't anticipate being here very long. I want to go and enjoy my Friday. So don't freak out if I pull the plug early. Okay, good. It is now 9:02. Brand new month, traders. So make sure you guys have out your handy dandy journals. Set some goals for this month, right? Some good goals this month will be, I will journal every single day. That would be a great goal, right?
Absolutely, Coach.
Put that in
That's
your
right.
put that in your journal. We're going to start the month off right. I'm telling you, you'll be surprised how much better you get just from simply journaling. I can't stress that enough.
We were talking about that on the aftermarket the other night. Prepare for November. There's a lot of events and things happening this
That's
month.
right.
Retail,
That's
a
right.
lot of different stocks to look at. Energy, people are using their heat. They're buying from the stores.
That's
So look
right.
at those stocks and journal.
Yeah, that's
PRSO,
absolutely right.
PRSO.
Futures traders, you guys will be watching oil, right? If you're from the South, what do you guys call it? Oil? Oil?
And it's a good time to look at the year past, too, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
Earl.
Oh my God,
Holy
Chris.
crap, guys.
Earl.
On that call out
PSRO.
Christina just did, PRSO. Holy moly, look at that.
He called it and the thing started to fly.
Yep,
I
PRSO.
know, that's unbelievable.
Yeah, PRSO, while we are discussing it, getting everything going, check out PRSO, getting a nice pop, 146K volume, 2.54 million free float. See if that's going to do anything.
L2's not filled up yet either, so careful.
Yep. Yeah, it's low volume at 178. Getting a nice pop. This morning, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to start this day off with a huge giveaway. Just for fun, because it's Friday and it's a brand new month. You guys are going to freak out when you hear about this giveaway. Crazy giveaway coming up. Hold on, let me make sure I have all the things. Bear with me. I see moderators. Are we up across the board?
TikTok is up, Coach.
Thank you.
YouTube's up.
Thank you. Thank you. There we go. Almost done. Okay, looking good. We got almost 300 people in here on this beautiful Friday. More people are coming in. Good morning. Good morning, everybody tuning in. If this is your first time, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading inside of the stock market now for 32 years. Very long time. I have now trained over 1 million people here through American Dream Trading, through us going live. So thank you and welcome. We are the country's largest and fastest growing stock market education company. I appreciate all of you for that. Real quick, I want to start off by doing a giveaway. So here we go. I'm going to give away a lifetime membership, VIP lifetime membership, out of somebody who, hold on. Let me share my screen. Hold on just a moment. Just a moment. Almost there. Out of whoever left a comment on the last video. So let's take a look. Let's see who's going to win. Now, you guys already know, too. This is a major. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoops.
What about the likes, coach? There's only 5.
Yep, never mind. There will be no giveaway today. I was going to give away a lifetime membership, VIP $5,000 value out of one lucky winner out of the comments that were left on our last YouTube video. But alas, we have no comments. So that'll do it for the giveaway today. Thank you guys for participating and not doing your part. Good job, everybody. Way to go. Wah, wah,
Hey, I got a
wah.
comment on a video. I don't know what one it was, but it wasn't the last one. But I
Yep.
did comment on a video.
Well,
At least one.
Thank
Just
you.
saying.
Thank you. It looks like no one's doing any of the work. We've got over 2,000 free training videos over on our YouTube channel. So congratulations to our imaginary winner of a $5,000 membership. And all you had to do was leave a comment over here. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Well, let's go ahead and watch the video since I've got us all the way over here. We are constantly working on getting you more and more information. So this looks like this is a YouTube Shorts video because it's only a minute long. So let's see what we posted. Here we go. Now you guys already know too, this is a major level. Why? Not just the double bottom. Why? Quick. Should take you less than a half a second to answer.
Red to green.
Yep. There it is. Green to red. Yep.
Good morning, Coach. Quick question for you.
Yes.
The red to green, are you referring to the candle or
Nope.
the
The
logo?
The percentage. Look at my screen. Can you see it?
Yes.
Right here.
I see.
Yep.
Do I don't think I have that on my.
You do. It's on every brokerage account.
Maybe I've done something that's
No, it's
switched it.
there. It's there. I need you to look for it. You might be in like contracts or something weird. Are you in Webull?
Uh-huh. I am.
Yep.
Yeah.
Look for it right here. Just 1 second, because I'm going to make another $1 million. Hold on.
No worries.
All right. Kind of left off the tail end. I'm not sure what happened to there. But anyways, do you guys see that?
John played that in the aftermarket, by the way.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, she did.
Nice.
Yeah, there's a bunch more on there for some reason.
Yeah, I don't know where the rest of that video is. It's only showing up in here 1 minute and 15 seconds. But anyways, make sure you guys are watching our videos. We do have a ton of information. Look at all these videos in here. We're doing our best to make sure that all of these provide value. There's no fluff. There's no garbage. Every single one of these videos that we release on YouTube is a training video. We provide more free education than any other stock market company, training company has ever released before. If you ever wanted to know anything about any type of trade, head over here, take a look. Real quick, I also wanted to show you guys, if you guys are futures members, we are pumping the hell out of that whole futures area. I told you just give us a little bit of time. We're continuing to work on those videos. I think Bruno did all these videos. He's not even our video editor, and Bruno's over here just hammering these videos. Hold on a minute. Hold on a sec. Bruno's like becoming our video editor. Let me show you guys what's going on over here. Hold on 1 second. Futures. Here we go. Can you guys see these futures over here?
Yes.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Give me 1 second. I'll also show everybody over here on the free side. Hold on one moment. Bear with me. TikTok, Chrome, hold on, nope. Discord, there we go. Right there. By the way, all of you watching for free, that's what our Discord looks like. So if you guys look over here, if you are a paid futures member, and right now we got a sale on it, $2,500 for a lifetime or $250 a month, which also gives you all of our trading view indicators, by the way, as long as you're a paid subscriber. Look at all this. I told you we are continuously growing, building, providing more and more information. Look at all of this. So if you guys have ever wanted to know about futures, we are constantly updating, upgrading, adding more and more and more and more. So if you are a paid member, you have all this information. If you are watching us for free, you can see all of these different channels over here. So if you look at the new members start here, you can see tons of information. We got FAQs. Guys, give me just 1 second. Hold.
It's okay. I just forgot my food and I wanted to come and give you a hug and a kiss because I didn't get to give you one this morning.
All right. Love you. I'm live. Love
Do
you.
you need anything else
Nope,
today?
nothing.
Do you
Nope.
want another diet
Nope.
when I come back? Okay.
Love you.
Love you. Chad said my outfit was fire today.
It is. It looks great. I'm swamped. This is me ramping. Love you. Sorry about that. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So over here on the new members area, if you guys check out the FAQ, this is everything you need to know. Terms of service. If you guys are interested in our referral program, this will show you how you guys can get 30% on every single purchase that is made using your referral codes. We give out the most money. If you've needed any discounts, Webull, TradingView, the TradingView where you can track. Hell, if you want to buy a new Tesla, Rivian, if you guys want to look at prop firms, I've got discounts over there. I've got discounts everywhere, right? Here's all of our membership info. So if you ever wanted to know what is included with our memberships, right here. If you wanted to look at our training and education, right here. Everything you need to know, how to navigate our website, how to navigate Discord. We've got ebooks. If you guys are interested in getting ebooks, most of these are free. I think 2 of them you have to pay for, or you can borrow them on the Amazon library. We've got how-to videos, flashcards, games, quick settings, terminology. If you wanted to know anything, stocks and education, what stocks should I get? When do I get them? How do I get them? Where do I get them from? Right? Every brokerage house. All of the smaller stocks you can see inside of here that I talk about every single day. All this information is over here for free. Okay? So if you guys are watching us for the first time, head on over, go to americandreamtrading.com, click on the free Discord. Here's all the futures terms. So if you wanted to know anything about futures, here's futures education to get you started. Right here. Look at all of this information, guys. Again, we provide more free training than anyone else ever has, right? I spend a ton of money, and our staff spends a ton of time putting this out here for you. If you have any questions or you need anything, go to this help desk support area. Click right here, create a ticket. This will immediately create a ticket and send it to us. That is the only place we will communicate with you. Thank you for those likes. Thank you for those gifts. I appreciate that. Thank you for subscribing. You guys are awesome. Just trying to show you guys a little bit of what it looks like over here at American Dream Trading. Stock Lounge, this is the free area. So if you are a free member, this is where you guys can go. If you are want to know where to follow me, so you're like, well, I don't know where you're at, coach. These are my links. Some people like to leave thank you notes. If you guys want to see what we're doing, here's the testimonials area, right? You can see inside of here. We also have a merch store. If you've got scammers, you can alert it to us. You want to know every piece of hardware I'm using that runs all of this, you can find it here in the Coach's Hardware. You want to see our Hall of Famers? You can see super multi-millionaires, right? They've been inducted into the Hall of Fame over here. Other people that have done amazing things for us, you'll see them listed in here as well. Speaking of one of our Hall of Famers, congratulations to Nate, making over $200,000 last month, closing out the month. Nice job. Sometimes I have tech sales, so I'll let you guys know over here in the tech sales. By the way, I have tons of tech coming up. I've got like 80 different phones and tablets and laptops, and I got a whole box of watches. All sorts of stuff I need to sell. So I'll let you guys know over there. If you're a paid Futures member, you'll have access to the Futures Lounge, the Futures Videos on Demand, the Get Funding link if you want to use prop firms, and of course our Futures Zoom that starts every day at noon for paid members, noon to 4. Our mentorship program, you'll see all of our mentorship program, our VIP Gold area. So if you guys have ever wanted to see any of that, by the way, we've got 90-day challenges, live Apple chats, a debt-free zone. You guys can see some of this. Here's a little bit of behind the scenes if you guys have never seen this before. This is our live Apple chat. We do this every single day for VIP Gold members. David's leading the charge over here. Eric is assisting, and some of our other moderators. Every single day, he's showing you exactly what trade he got into, when he got out, how much did he use, why did he do what he was doing, how much he's made for the day. Congratulations to David. David, have you broke three? He's got to be real close to $300,000 so far in profits with American Dream Trading. I think last count was 295,000 a couple days ago. But you can see here every single day posts everything he's doing live inside of this room. When, why, how, what. Look at these. Every single day, all of this information is out there. Right? That's part of the VIP Gold. So make sure you guys check that out. Debt-free channels, VIP Gold premium areas, our regular premium, right? By the way, I'm going to give you guys a quick sneak peek of what the regular paid members, VIP and VIP Gold members get. We post this every single day. Now, this was yesterday's, right? We do this every single day before the market opens. There's today's. Every single day. We post every single day before the market opens hot stock picks. The ones that we think have a potential to run. Here's a sneak peek for you today. Little freebie, little Friday freebie for you. We post these every single day. New IPOs every single day for all of our paid members. You want to know everything there is to know about any IPO that's coming, the day it's coming, what it is, how much it is, shares they have, the price for it, estimated range. Everything is in here. Oh, you want to know about earnings? We post earnings every time we have earnings coming up. Everybody that's a paid member, right? Posting their P&L every single day. We have this information for you. We have so much health and wealth, fun house where people can have fun in there, right? We have everything you need to get started, right? Here's the stock lounge. Look at this today. Every day, look at this. Today, we have a weekly onboarding session. So if you wanted to know where to go, what to do, how to access everything, where's all the free stuff, what time do they put things on over there, look at that. Today at 4 p.m. Eastern, over in our Discord, we have 2 of our moderators that are going to help you out. Okay? We have more staff. We have the greatest technology. We have a full help desk to help you here. We have almost 20 moderators standing by. By the way, over half of our moderators have fully retired from their 9-to-5 jobs, all from right here in American Dream Trading. We have not hired outside outsourced people. Everybody in this room is successful because of this room. We are the only ones that I know of that can say that. All of my competitors have to hire from outside to bring them into their groups. We've done it all with our people right here. Have you guys noticed that? Have you guys looked around other groups? Have you noticed they have to pull from outside of their own trading communities to get you guys people? All of ours are trained here. Every one of
That's right,
them.
Coach.
Yeah, every one of our people have been from right here. Not a single person has been hired from outside of American Dream Trading. That's got to tell you something, right? We've retired more people, made more profits than anybody I've ever seen before, ever. I don't care how many subscribers. I don't care. None of that. None of that matters. I've never seen anybody doing what we're doing at American Dream Trading. So if this is your first time being here, welcome. Today, as always, we'll do a huge giveaway. If we get up to 300 concurrent viewers, we'll also try to do a giveaway like we always do if we get to 50,000 likes before I leave. I'm not going to be here all day. I'm telling you right now, it's Friday. I don't want to be here all day, so I'm not going to do it. I've got tons of moderators. If you're a paid member, don't worry. It's business as usual. But for everybody that's free, I'm not going to be here all day in this seat. I'm just letting you know. Typically, I'm here every day, though, from 9 to 11 for free. Also, later in the afternoon from 2 to 4, Ange, our host for Futures, is training you up for free from 2 to 4. Then at 5 o'clock, we have the aftermarket with our host, Dawn, who talks about the day and what happened and more training and education. Listen, we are here all day, every day. For some of our paid members, we're here from 4 in the morning till almost 7 at night through all of our different things that we have to offer, right? Again, nobody, and I repeat, no one in the industry has ever provided this much training and education. We are here all the time. There is zero reason to look anywhere else, to look at other indicators and videos, and there's just no reason. We have everything you could ever possibly need right here. And that is what we're trying to achieve, right? As this is the one-stop shop. We want everything inside of the ADT University to be here. Everything is here, right? It's in here. I'm telling you, it's like the ragu. It's in here. All of it is here. Real quick, before we get this party started, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, Palm Coast, Ange, and Aaron. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you again to Bruno for posting all those futures videos last night. We were up the same time. It was like 2 in the morning. I was like, hey, what's up? Good morning. It was, I don't know. I've been up since like 1:50, 12 o'clock. I don't remember anymore. I don't sleep. I'm old. When you get old, you just don't sleep as much, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, appreciate everybody being here. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you to all of our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force. Over 8 years now. Thank you so much. He's also engaged, so congratulations. That is very cool. So Aya, he got engaged. I think I was telling you guys in the VIP about that, but he popped the question and she said yes. So we'll have a new family member soon. Absolutely amazing. Blessings. Very excited. She's an amazing person. Well educated. Comes from an awesome family. So we're very excited for that. Big stuff going on. I'm actually taking all of them to go see a Broadway play this weekend. We're going to spend a lot of time together. This is very cool. So big weekend coming up for us. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you.
Hell yeah. Happy Friday, y'all. Let's roll.
Appreciate you, man. All right. It is now 9:25. Real quick, legal, American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, or anybody else associated with us. None of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we do is for training and education purposes. Make sure you guys follow all the rules, not some, but all. This is a brand new month. If you struggled last month, I'm telling you, follow the rules. Some of the rules that we live by in here is never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next 2 to 4 weeks off. If you're a new trader, do not use real money. Paper trade, simulate only. If you are new and you are training, you should not be using real money. make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of its shares, options, or futures. Always have a stop loss. Use different strategies for different strategies that we, or different rules for different strategies that we have. You must follow the rules every single day. Make sure you guys are journaling, right? Every single day. Make sure you are physically writing down different things that happened during the trade, right? The psychology of trading is more important than if you made money or not, right? I'm telling you, it's important. It's one of the biggest things we do. Always make sure you have small position sizes. Don't swing for the fences, right? I know we got some MLB players in here, right? Don't swing for the fences. We want base hits. You can allow those to turn into home runs, but small position sizes that will allow you to let the runners run and stop out the losers. If you're a new trader, please don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you're an advanced trader, you also want to make sure you're watching out the first about 8 minutes and the last 10 or 15 minutes of the day. Those are extremely volatile. The first 3 are ridiculous, right? And the last about 8 minutes are same thing, just ridiculous with volatility. Yesterday, the market crashed hard. It was one of the worst days in the market all year. Lost almost $1 trillion out of the market. SPY was down almost a full 2%, which is about $950 million in losses in the market yesterday. If you guys got in on the 2-minute EWO on SPY, congratulations. You're probably rich as hell now. We use the 2-minute EWO, which is the Elliott Wave Oscillator. We use that every single day with a 2-minute time frame. You can use it with a 5, 10, 15 hour, 4 hour. Just remember, the longer the candlestick time, the longer you anticipate on making the trade. But our very basic intraday, meaning same day trade, is using 2 minutes. I found it's been the best. It is something I have designed and developed after, again, 30 years in here. Some of the memberships that we have is we have regular premium membership. You can get a 7-day trial. It's like $35. After that, it's $200 a month. You'll get Zoom access starting at 8:45 to market close, hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, and the videos on demand. Otherwise, you guys can get the VIP. Right now, we're still running, we're going to run that sale today. Buy 6 months VIP. We will give you the 6-month add-on gold for those 6 months at the same time for free. Then they both will renew at their regular rate of $1,500 each. That is a one-time. You cannot use that every 6 months. One-time deal. With the VIP membership, you'll get masterclass training with me starting at 8 o'clock. Early pre-market access with our other millionaires and moderators starting at 4 a.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. That is 12 hours of training. The VIP lounge, the workshop classes, the VIP training videos, and our special Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP membership, you can upgrade to VIP Gold. You'll get all the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support, weekend training every Saturday, Gold Lounge access, priority help desk, our news service, breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 o'clock. Everything is recorded for VIP Gold members. You can catch those in the replay, and the live Apple chat hosted again by David. We got about 10 seconds to the bell. Let's have an amazing Friday. Hope you all had a happy Halloween. Hopefully you all didn't get sick from eating your kids' candy. Let's crush this market soul today and nobody go rogue. Love your faces. Let's do it. Keep an eye on crypto this morning. Bitcoin was running. Last time I told you that, we had record highs of crypto. Listen to the sound of my voice. Remember, if anything ran up in the pre-market, watch for the pullback at the open. Apple's already down 2% today. SPY is up in the pre-market. Tesla's starting to make a big move here now on Tesla. Bounced off of the 200 on the 1 minute. Tesla having a nice move. Riot starting to pop right here. I told you, keep an eye on crypto. Riot, MSTR, Coin, Mara, MARA. Keep an eye on those. NVIDIA starting to get a nice rebound here. NVIDIA double bottomed at 134. NVIDIA blasting off to the moon, 2% on NVIDIA. Watch up here, 134.75 is going to be your pre-market high. It's going to be a key major area to watch out for resistance. Qs are starting to get a spike in volume. Same with SPY and the ES futures starting to move to the upside here. Nice little bounce. NVIDIA is starting to come up on resistance level right here. Again, 135.75. Major area of resistance. Keep an eye on that. Watch for a pullback up here on NVIDIA. Just be careful. Make sure you guys are collecting as you go. Shed 50%, 20-20-10. Collect as it goes up. It will help you stay in the trades longer. Apple had a bounce at 220.28, 220.28. Starting to come up on this double top. Also watch the 200 at 222.64. There goes your NVIDIA pullback. Hopefully I saved somebody's soul or you made some money. Remember, calls on support and puts on resistance. NVIDIA pulled back at 135.72, exactly where we stated. 2 cents off, so right to the damn penny. Pulled back to the 200. Hopefully I saved somebody's soul. Whose soul did I save? Show of hands. Quick.
Woo woo.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Amazon, big earnings here. So Amazon cranking to the moon. $220. So be careful around this $200 mark. That will be a double top on Amazon with a pre-market high. SPY, like I said, had that bounce. Good job on our pre-market setup. We said as long as it stayed above 571.40. Amazon coming up here on a double top. Qs continuing to climb to the upside. Same with SPY and ES futures. Apple still has not broke the 200. 2-minute EWO is in effect for Apple to the downside, but you want to be cautious, making sure that you're using it with VWAP. You guys are in great hands over there with David. David, by the way, has been with us over 2 years. He's closing in on $300,000 in profits. Go ahead.
Hot stock TOVX, new high.
Thank you.
And popping like it's hot.
Popping like it's hot. Popping like it's hot. Clove,
There's no wall here,
CLOV.
Coach.
Yeah. Clove, CLOV meme stock up 3% this morning. Riot is flat. Mara's flat. MSTR, there we go. MSTR breaking this triple top. Has to break and hold above 247.70. SPY found that bounce. Did anybody get in on that bounce?
I got in a little late, but I'm in.
Thank you. MSTR pulling back. Like I said, it has to stay above 247.70. SPY, you guys are up on our pre-market critical level. Be careful, 572.15. Does everybody see it? We had this marked on the pre-market setup. Just be cautious here.
Big pullback on that Amazon double top.
Oh, thank you. Hopefully I saved somebody's skin. Who did I save? Anybody?
You saved mine, Coach. Thank you.
Yes, nice job. I said, and closer we get to that 200, right? Watch for that pullback. And there she blows.
Yeah, it tested 200 exactly.
Yes, sir. Look at that. Yeah, you're right. To the penny, right? That's funny. This guy don't know squat.
How did you learn this stuff, Coach?
I know it. It's redonkulous.
I'm trying to figure out how much money you lost learning all this stuff because you didn't have a coach.
Yeah, well, it was more about time that I lost.
Right.
Yeah, a lot of time. SPY, same thing here, gang. Triple top. Now, listen, if it stays up there, we can long it. But right now, it is not staying. You do not, I repeat, you do not have confirmation on long if you've been waiting on SPY. You wanted that bounce, that 571.40 bounce. We got it down there. You want to wait. If you're still sitting here, do not go long on SPY here. Do you hear the sound of my voice? Good. Hopefully I just saved it.
I do, Coach. I hear you.
Thank you.
I'm waiting.
Coach, when you get a second, look at that pullback candle on Amazon. It is
that's
incredible.
Yeah, that is just that's insane. It hit 200 to the penny and dropped all the way down to 197.34. Yikes.
PRLB broke double top to the upside.
Thank you. Is that a hot stock pick?
Yes, it is.
You
Paul
bet.
Robert Lima Boy.
You bet your ass. Bravo. Nice. SPY 572.15. I told you that is not where you buy calls. Calls on support, puts on resistance. Christina, did you notice that it respected that 9 EMA?
I did.
Yep.
Yep. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Mhm.
That means right here, that is support.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Mhm.
Watching ES futures, same thing, all up here teetering. ES futures has to break and hold. Let me look. 57.70 on ES. So if you're trading futures, you must wait for a break and hold of 57.70, okay? Same like SPY over here. Wait. Amazon, hopefully I saved some of you. I know you guys were all like, oh, it's going to the moon. No, it's not. Saved a couple of train wrecks today. I'm feeling pretty confident about that. I like it when I save people money. Yeah, baby. Here we go. You see that, Christina? Rejected off the 9 at 571.86. Boom, had that spike to the upside. Bye-bye, hasta la vista, baby. She's out of here. That was support.
Thank you.
Yep.
ENSC, new high popping.
Thank you. ES Futures and SPY now confirmation to the upside. Nice job, Christina. By the way, the reason I said her name is because I was gave her a one-on-one and trained and educated her on some different scalping strategies. And that was textbook, baby. Yeah, baby.
IWM new high day, and it's cleared all the EMAs.
Thank you.
Going up.
Six-star trade. Is that what you're telling me over there on EMA? Broke pre-market high. It's a 2-minute
Yes, sir.
EWO. Thank you.
It's
Yes,
touching
sir.
a double top, Coach.
Thank you. SPY is now in a 6-star trade to the upside. SPY is now in a 6-star trade to the upside. You guys did get confirmation clearance on 572.15. We called support at 571.86. Bouncing off the 9 EMA. Christina, hopefully you saw that. You got in it. Very nice.
Sure did. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that was perfect, Coach. Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice job, everybody. Let me flip around the board. Make sure you guys are collecting profits as it goes. Collect profits as it goes. Watching for pullbacks. Riot. New. Did it hit new high a day? Let me look. Nope, not yet. Riot's trying to make new high a day. There it goes. Riot, new high a day. And it's pulling back. Watch this double top. This is a cup. Careful. Apple 2-minute EWO is in effect to the upside. Looking much better now. Way to hang in there, Apple bottom gang. Boots with the fur. The whole ADT club was looking at her. I don't know. I don't know where we're going with this. Oh boy. Thanks for that vote of confidence. Jeez, oh Pete's tough crowd today.
Well, next line is she hit the floor.
Yes. Yes. Q's up here. Be careful right here. Exactly right now. Be careful on the Q's. At this exact moment. Are you listening to the sound of my voice, JP? I know you like trading Q's. Okay, good.
Yep, still waiting. I'm being more patient lately, Coach. Thank you. You've helped me so much.
Good job, partner.
And then the Qs.
ES futures to the upside, looking really nice if you guys are trading ES. Now with my futures, I like to have about a 15 tick stop. That's just me. It's up to you. Q's now breaking above that critical level, 487.11. Technical actual double top is 487.35. So this whole area is caution. This area is caution. Caution. Right? Everybody see this? This whole area. This is a giant double top. So it's typically puts on resistance. So be very careful here. I saw it pulled back. Right here was your pullback. Let's see if it can stay now. This was your pullback candle. We touched here. It pulled all the way to here. Bounced and pushed back through on a retest. That's good. That's bullish. Now let's see if we can break. SPY still dancing on our exact key critical level upside. Let me go over to SPY now. Sorry, I have to bounce around so everybody's getting something. So everybody gets a taste. SPY, remember that other major level was this 572.63. If you guys are in above 572.15, which is what you wanted on the pre-market, if you're scalping, great job. If you guys hammered it off the bounce of the 9 EMA when I called it, good job. If you guys are in on the 2-minute EWO from 936, good job. Different strategies, different rules. Nice work. It's now 9:43. The market's been open at a whole 13 minutes. Who's making money? Open your mics and yell it out, and then close your mics.
Yeah. Q's new high.
Thank you.
Making money. Yes, coach, making money.
Thank you.
40% of my account, coach.
Oh my, yes. Oosh. Love it.
Yes, making money.
Yes.
Trading in futures, love them.
Oh, good, good. Love to hear that. Q's to the moon over here, cranking it up. SPY again, 6-star trade. Doesn't mean it's going to stay there, right? But we had a minus 2% on SPY. We're up almost a full percent on SPY. Is it going to gap all the way back up? I don't know about that. Don't know about that, partner. But hey, it could. You never know. Trade the trade. No bias. No bias. But what I want you to do, though, is don't go, it's going to go forever in one way or the other. Don't ever do that. Trade the trade. Do exactly what it shows you. Leave your bias at the door. Check that crap at the door.
Hey, coach.
Yes.
Can we get your eyeball on IWM?
Got it. Let me see.
We'll take a nugget on Golden Friday.
Yep, I see it. I got you, partner. Hold on. Yep, 220.50. I see it back there. It wasn't a major. That was not a major level on a pullback, which is weird, but I did see it, but I had to go back 5 trading days. So IWM, you guys are gold at now. Depends on your strategy. If you're 2-minute EWO, you're good. If you guys wanting to scalp it, watch for the bounce on the 9. If you guys were in it, I would have looked for the break of 219.74, which right now it's back here. This is support. So this is support right now at 219.74 coming off the pre-market high. See it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, coach.
Yeah, this right here, all of this traffic, which is right here, also see if it's going to respect this 21 EMA. If it doesn't,
Second green EW Google.
thank you. If it doesn't, we're coming right here to VWAP. But this should be a bounce area. Should be. Doesn't mean it's going to. Watch the whole market, right? But this should be a bounce area for IWM. So right now, this is support. You guys see it respecting the 21 right here?
Yes, sir.
Yep. But we'll see. We'll see what it wants to do. Trade the trades. Make sure you have your stops according, depending on what kind of trade you're in. Now, if you guys are on the 2-minute EWO, you already scalped. Why? Pullback right here. this exact spot was 50%. See it? That was the first pullback. Boom, we take some off. I always shed on that first pullback, 50%. Just like Apple on that pullback. Let me pull up the big screen. So you guys were in the 2-minute EWO. It rode up, pullback right here, 50%. Everybody see it? As soon as we see it, form that little pyramid, right? Boom, half. Now,
First red EW Tesla.
thank you. Now I'm waiting to see if this is going to bounce off VWAP. Those of you that are doing the advanced 2-minute EWO, you sold here, you added here, right? You sold the pullback, you added on support. Nice job. If you're not an advanced 2-minute EWO person, you didn't do any of that. All you did was sold that 50% on the pullback. Yes?
Yeah, at 63 cents is Tuesday's level.
Yep. Thank
Yep.
you.
Yes, sir.
So my advanced people just made money on the move. Sold here, added here, and now you're back up to where you paid, right? And you just made all of this money was profit. And now you're back up again, right? That's how an advanced 2-minute EWO trade is. Moderators, you can mark that. It's probably a 1-minute YouTube short. Make sure we have the thumbnail in the first 1 second of the video. That makes sense, everybody?
Yes, coach. Second red Tesla.
Thank you, Spy. New high day. 6-star
And the
trade.
first 15-minute candle did break on IW.
Oh, it did? Okay, thank you. Spy. New high day, 6-star trade. Who's still in that Spy up there?
Recording in progress.
Oh, thank you.
I am, coach.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bruno, I have my extra video cam is running today, so you could pull it from YouTube if needed, and you could grab my face if you needed it.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
You using the face cam?
Yeah, baby. Got it. The beard cam up.
Yay.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Beard cam.
Fun.
Woo. Slapping the base. Amazon had a nice pop right here off of 192. So again, or 197. Told you to be careful on that double top. I said as soon as it gets to around $200, pulled back the largest red candle that you could have. That is a full 2-minute candle red. See it? At 200. Now we're starting to get a move. We're above VWAP. We'll see if this is going to come back up for a full cup. If you guys are scalpers, of course, you guys got in on this break of 200 and you've got your stop right here, right, scalpers? Okay, good job. You already know the 200 again is going to be a major level of resistance, so you'll have extra caution up there. Good. ES futures, if you guys are trading futures, ES or MES. Upside, beautiful. Who's still in those SPY? Anybody still trading SPY here? Or their equivalent? SPXU, SPXL?
I am.
Thank you.
I am, coach.
Thank you.
And it, coach.
Nice
Need some
job.
volume.
Nice job. Now, Christina, we caught that bounce right. Let me flip this to the 1 minute. Right there. Right there. 571.85 is where we hammered it. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
Scalpers, that right there is where you hammered it, right? This spot.
That's your ass.
Yep. Yep. It respected this 9. Continuing to run. Now look, it's still respecting this 9. As long as it respects the 9, scalpers, leave it the hell alone. You understand me?
Dirty hands off the mouse.
Yes.
Got it.
Speaking of dirty hands off the mouse, on our next meetup, I just ordered a ton of goodies, tons of hats, and a bunch of mouse pads. So those of you that are going to the next meetup, hopefully it's all going to show up on time. I ordered it yesterday. It gave us 15 days to get there. I just ordered $2,000 worth of merchandise for you guys for the Texas meetup.
Woohoo!
So with a bunch of mouse pads, by the way. So if you guys don't have any of our ADT merch.
Do we have a date for it?
Yes, we do, but we can't say it on here. Go and
Yeah, is it on Discord?
It is.
Okay.
Posted in the membership lounge. Yep.
Discord, your one-stop shop for all information on happenings at ADT.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Coach, are you going to it?
No.
Oh, right, cool.
Nope. Appreciate it though. David will be there. Sergio, some of the others. Bruno might make it. We'll see.
Planning on it.
Yep. We'll always have at least one moderator always at one of these unofficial meetups. Otherwise, they don't happen. Spy continuing to run to the upside. Spy continuing to run to the upside. By the way, unfortunately, at one of our meetups, we had one of our existing members is trying to actually hire one of my moderators. If I find out that ever happens, you guys will immediately be banned. Nobody is to try to poach my moderators. That would be great. It's actually in our rules. So you guys pull that stunt again, you will be banned and never allowed to join anything ever again. I know we have the best moderators in the business. Leave my moderators alone. Thank you.
Can't hoax the coach.
Yep.
Headhunting.
Yep. Yeah, they're trying to headhunt at these meetings. Our own people too, so be careful. Unfortunately, the person they targeted makes more money than most people on planet Earth. So how the hell could you pay somebody that makes more money than you make ever? That's kind of stupid. You're poaching the wrong people. But anyways, Spy continuing to climb to the upside. Listen, is Spy still respecting the 9 EMA on the 1 minute?
Yes, Coach.
So why in the hell would you get out? Right? Leave it alone forever until it tells you something different. Okay?
Coach, is it too late to add on during a pullback like right now?
It's never too late, but you better know what you're doing, right?
Yeah, wait for a solid pullback.
Correct. Yeah, I'd honestly almost wait if you could until it tries to test the 21, because at some point this is going to want to pull back through here to come back to one of these, and that would be a better spot.
That's usually what I do, Coach. I look for a 21 on the 2
Yeah, because
minute.
it's almost like a magnet, right? It always wants to try to come back to it. Yep.
And Spy's a little more volatile, so pick up on the 21 on the 2 minutes pretty solid for me.
Yep, I agree. 100%.
Coach, do you know the value it is to trade with, like, for example, you, Palm, and a few others? It's just freaking, it's a blessing. It's freaking awesome.
Appreciate that, man. Yeah, Palm.
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you, Palm.
Is so great. Frick, man. Hey, Palm was one of my one of my best grabs. I just saw these. Every time I hear Palm's voice, I feel like the cool kid. You guys see me just slap on them glasses? Yeah, you did. Yeah, when I hear
And
Palm.
Nate gave an awesome class this morning. Like, it just out of the blue, it happened. It was awesome.
Yeah, he gave an awesome master class. We got it recorded. Palm is amazing as well.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, he is.
And Nate, I meant to say Nate as well. Thank you, Nate.
All of my moderators. What you talking about, Willis? I got the best
Love you, Coach. Love you
moderators.
guys.
I got the best moderators in the business.
Coach, may I ask you to look at LLY? It really looks like it's bouncing back to VWAP from support.
Oh, good.
We got the best mentor in the business.
Oh, appreciate you. Checks in the mail. Actor number 467. LLY, Lily. I like the way you're looking over there, JP. Let me look. 824 825, I can see it here, was, what is this? Post market. So as long as you stay above that, you can long it. See it right here, partner? 824.25. So as long as you stay above that area. But look, this is something.
It is below VWAP.
Yeah, absolutely. But this is what I was saying, everybody. You see right here, this is the 9. Do you see how it just pulled back right here off the 21? When it does that, right, is where I would then scoop up. If I was, quick scalping, these are puts off that 21. Why? Overall trend is still to the downside, right? If I was trying to look for a quick bounce to the upside or a straddle, it would be right here. But the overall trend is to the downside. It just touched the 21. That is where I would scoop up those puts and then see if it respects that area or not.
And I'm only looking at it because of your training, coach.
Yeah, that's good. I've noticed you've been watching Lily quite a bit.
Just since it crashed from 900 down to 770.
Yep. You guys see how I get a feel for what you guys are looking at? That's from us living here together all the time. Real quick, look at Amazon. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at what it did at 199.90. Pulled back right to the 200. Everybody see it? This was.
I shouldn't have laughed. Some people got hurt on Lily.
No worries. Look, 199.90. And I always tell you, be early on that, right? 199.90. So 10 cents off of our mark of 200. Pulled back, now respecting the 200. Okay? So just like that, if I was like, oh, when should I get in on a scalp? The 200 is the move, right? Also notice the 21 was right there. I mean, both of this is a really nice setup, right? Because we already know if it breaks this, I'm out. Because why? We're going to go right here. It's rejected that 200 twice. Here it comes. This is the beauty of this spot. Boom. I can just be stopped out with no loss, right? Like, no worries. It came down. Look at where it just bounced. This is a VWAP bounce. Right here. And now we'll see if it does anything with that. SPY, still to the upside. Apple, double top. Futures, same thing, consolidating.
Shift change, coach.
Thank you. Shift change in 50 seconds. Looking for Amazon to bounce here off VWAP now. Shift change, 40 seconds. Apple blasting off. There goes your Lily dumping off that 21 to the downside. Q's to the upside. SPY consolidating. Apple is to the upside. 15 seconds to volume to come into market. Matt, I'll grab you as soon as this volume comes in so we can call this out. 3 seconds to volume. Boom, here it comes. You guys can see an immediate shift in the market. You guys see all the candles flickering everywhere? SPY pulling back. Same with ES futures. Apple getting volume to the upside. Amazon pulling back. Still looking to see if that's going to bounce on VWAP here. It's testing it right here. Now, this is where people get scared, by the way. Right? This is what will freak you out. All these key critical areas. Right? Here it goes. Now, what is Amazon telling you to do below VWAP?
Puts.
Yep. And where would my stop be then?
Just above VWAP.
That's correct. And if it dances in this spot, no bueno. It's got to leave the area, right? Because I don't want to be chop, 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 chop.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
It went in doubt. Straddle
Straddle
it
it
out.
out.
Yep.
But now, is this that half candle rule? No.
It was when it hit here to here.
Okay.
And then it did bounce exactly half a candle. Did you see it?
Yep.
So it went here to here, immediately bounced back up to here. That is a half candle. Yep.
Cool.
Good job. Listen to Christina. Jeez, oh, Pete's. What in the
Mhm.
world? I've created a monster.
I've been watching videos and studying. And
Have you?
it's
Nice.
constantly. I've always got it in my ear, like at night when
Yes.
I'm doing stuff. Yeah.
Goodness gracious. Feel like a proud
And more and
papa.
more, Coach, we're listening to Christina because she sees things.
Yeah,
Well, and
absolutely.
she recently had another one-on-one to work on her mechanics too.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Coach, I'm 90% on Apple, 93%, 95%.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
100% now. Let's go.
Yes. By the way, that's Eric, one of our moderators, who's been fully retired since joining American Dream Trading over 2 years ago.
Like 23 years old or something.
23.
109%, Coach.
Yes. Eric, how old are you, partner, if you don't mind me asking?
32.
32 years old, fully retired. American Dream Trading. Put that on a freaking bowling bag. Didn't you make like $10,000 or something ridiculous yesterday?
Yeah.
$10,000, 32 years old yesterday. One of our moderators.
God, I wish I had known this stuff at that age. Oh my gosh. Imagine. That would have been so great.
I wish I would have had an American Dream Trading at that age. I can tell you that.
Right?
My gosh. Apple, cranking to the moon. Good job over there, 2-minute EWO gang. That stayed the course. That was a beautiful trade. Never broke through VWAP once you got into that trade. Nice job. You guys had a little bit of a panic zone. I can see it right here, right where it pulled back, and everybody's like, oh, no. Payday.
When it bounced is when I added. That's
Yep.
why my average is a little off. I'm only at 66%.
Yep.
Oh my God, Coach.
Yep.
Man, this is incredible.
Oh, you
This
guys
is
are
so
awesome.
crazy, man. We nailed this Apple trade, man. We
Yes.
nailed it.
Good
It's all
job.
about being patient
It is.
and just, making sure that we're following the rules.
The rules are
And
everything. Because think about it. As soon as that started to touch VWAP, if everybody panicked and got out, you missed the whole payday. All you had to do was follow the rules, right? You had to get out of your own head and just follow the rules. If you followed the rules, you got paid. If you followed your head, you guys probably lost. Who in the Apple chat got out when it touched VWAP, even though you weren't supposed to because you panicked? I guarantee you that happened. So instead of following the rules, you got in your own heads. Am I right? One person. Who? Come on. I know somebody did it.
Back in the day, I would have done it, but because of David, I held through on those big wicks. So.
Nice job. Nobody did? Not a single person fell for that?
I did, Coach.
You did USA Tour?
Yeah, probably in too heavy.
Yep, no worries. Moderators, do me a favor. Give USA Tour 1 extra month of VIP gold valued at $500 for speaking up.
Thank you.
You got it. I just hopefully
amazing place.
Hopefully it just paid for whatever you didn't gain.
Amazing place to be. Thank you.
Appreciate you. That's USA.
I see Matt's hand, Coach, is up, but I want to tell you real quick, those Lily puts, since you were talking, bounced at an 80% profit.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice job. Yeah. And it made new low a day, didn't it, partner? 8, 20,
Yep.
50. Yep. Nice job.
There's Matt's hand.
Oh, yep. Thank you, Matt. Go ahead. You got your hand up. Real quick though, Matt, SPY found support at 572.63. We had this marked. If you guys look at this, it was here, all of this, and that's where it bounced. Go ahead, Matt.
Yes, Stock Jesus. SMCI is a June 2023 low. So I'm kind of like looking at scooping up some on a long. Would you avoid like the plague with the news, or just what's your 2 cents on that?
Yeah. Partner, excuse me. Honestly, this is me, not financial tax or investment advice. I would not be touching it.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, I don't. I just don't think the risk to reward is worth it. If the entire accounting staff left, and you got to remember 2 or 3 weeks ago, right? There was inside information that got leaked that they were doing all sorts of funky stuff, and now this, I don't like it. I just don't like it. I mean, sure, it could turn around and great news, and then they'll hype, fake pump the crap out of it. But honestly, if they do that, they'll probably dilute the shares anyways to try to get some of the money back that they've been losing. I just don't see it, man. And that at
Okay
this
to day
point,
trade though, right?
what's that? Yeah, you can trade the trade all day up. But as far as long term, not financial tax or investment advice, but a company that keeps spitting out constantly bad news over and over and over, and people are jumping ship, man, I don't want nothing to do with that, dude.
One more question. If any risk factor to shorting it on, for example, with the news and stuff?
Yeah, there's always a risk factor, right? Because if they start to pump news, good, bad, indifferent, fake, whatever, you're going to get hammered and you're going to get squeezed, right? So,
Got it.
Yep. It's very volatile at this state. It's very volatile. SPY continue to run. I mean, listen, if you got some loose change and you want to throw a lotto in there, or you made good money for the week and you're like, hey, I could ride it out for 3 years or whatever. I mean, sure. But am I like putting a chunk of my retirement in that? Hell no. Look at SPY, new high. Like I said, SPY was down 2% yesterday. It just gained 1% of it back. It's halfway. That means, by the way, it just recovered about $450 million in the market on this bounce. Quick lesson here for everybody. Quick lesson here. Remember, you guys are doing covered calls. When do we write covered calls?
Up days.
Green days.
When it goes down.
That's right.
Down days, is it?
Green days.
No, it's up days.
Yep.
In the morning, in the morning on up days.
Green days. So, doesn't have to be in the morning, just on green days.
Oh, okay.
So I want you to think about this. When do we buy them back?
When did it go down?
Red
Down
days.
days.
And what
Red
was
days.
yesterday? What was yesterday?
Wednesday to buy back.
Down day.
So wouldn't that be a great day to buy it all back?
Absolutely.
Now, if you guys are doing the wheel option strategy, when do we get cash secured puts?
When we're looking to get back in.
Down days.
Yeah.
When do we buy them back?
The opposite.
Up days.
That's right. So wouldn't yesterday to today have been perfect in both of those scenarios?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And you can do that every single time the market does that for the wheel option strategy. Okay? And this too, by the way, is why I always tell you guys, if you're planning on buying shares to hold long term, instead buy them through a cash secured put, meaning you're selling a put to buy them at a cheaper rate, and people are going to pay you a premium for you to say, I'll buy them. Because yesterday, if you said, you know what, I'd like to get 100 SPY and I'll start this wheel options, you could have bought a cash secured put yesterday, and now that, right, you'd be getting nothing but premiums today, right? Now listen, you will always make more money, obviously, writing covered calls, because you get the stock price goes up plus the premium, etc. But you also have the risk because you're holding the stocks already. Okay, so the risk is higher, but you make more reward. And obviously, a cash secured put and a covered call are only to be used during a bull market, meaning upside. Okay, we do not want these during downtrending markets. Luckily for all of you, if you were here, November 2022, the worst market conditions they said in 40 years, you guys got to watch me trade a $100,000 account with covered calls and cash secured puts and still keep my head above water, doing exactly what I'm showing you, right? even during the worst market conditions ever. If you know what the hell you're doing, you can kind of get through some of that. But I'm telling you right now, you don't want to be doing it during a bear market. The reason why everybody looks like a stock market guru is because the market has been trending up for almost the last 2 years, because we had, like I said, we had the worst market we've had in decades in those 2-year time frame, and now it's just coming back to where it was supposed to be. So right now, if everybody's like, I'm the greatest stock market trader, covered calls are my friend, and you're starting to see people like, I'm an expert. Yeah, 6 months or a year or whenever it decides to turn, they'll all be bankrupt and be like, I can't believe it, I'm a terrible trader, right? Because they haven't seen a different market condition. LD, you got your hand up, go.
Yeah, on that particular scenario, like Soxel went down like 10, 11% or whatever it was yesterday.
Yep.
I averaged in with like 10, 15 shares and then did a cash secured put. Is that the way I would really do that? Just to help bring my average down while it's down that much?
Yeah, I mean, you could, right? My rule is if I'm doing long term, I look for a 5, 10, or a 15% pullback, and that's when I like to add in on my long term. I've been saying that for years, right? So as long as the stock is still good, as long as it still makes sense, as long as market conditions are still there, that's what I look for. By the way, SPY is now 1%. Who's still in SPY?
I am.
Get it, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I am, coach.
Oh, and earlier, remember we talked about it pulling back to the 21 for entry? Look. Remember, I had this conversation while it was consolidating back here, yes?
Yes.
Right there was the entry. See it? If you're like, oh, when do I enter? Right there it was, the 21. I talked about this earlier, right? Palm, isn't that what we were talking about?
You did, yes.
Yes. So right there.
10:01, 10:05, somewhere in there.
Yep, right there. That's what I was
I was
talking about.
watching shift market change, and I said, is that going to pop down or consolidate?
And then the other good thing, too, is that it respected this 572.63, which we had previously marked from this, all of this, and it held right here. This was support, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Lots of good stuff.
And then Amazon, I was in puts until it came down, and then it was starting to go back up, and I saw it look like a double bottom, so now I'm in calls.
Nice job. SPY, 2-minute EWO. Who's still in there? Holy crap,
I am.
guys.
I am. Yeah. Amazing.
Double my money on the Qs. Where else can you do that in 45 minutes?
Yes. Yeah. Qs are identical chart on the Qs. I mean, identical. Look. If you overlaid this chart with this, it's the same damn thing, right? Let me go to a 1 minute.
Exactly.
Right there. Look at that.
Coach Nate gave a master class on the EMA 9 this morning in the pre-market. It helped me stay in IWM. I'm up. This is amazing.
Nice job. Good job. Did you say that was Nate?
I did.
Nate the Great, getting it done in all fashions. Not only making more money he's ever seen in his life, also training and educating all of you to help you be successful. That's what it's all about. People helping people, baby. Love it. ES Futures.
It's MCA.
Who's trading futures? Who got in on that ES Futures when we called it same time as SPY? Who's trading those ES Futures or MES? Talk to me.
MES, coach.
Yes.
MES, coach.
Yes.
And SPY.
Yeah.
MES.
And SPY. That's awesome. Now listen, don't forget, if you guys start to get into 10 or more contracts with micros, it'll save you a lot of money to flip to a mini. Okay, you get charged a higher premium to buy and sell micros versus minis. So as soon as you start to get a 10, so if you don't want to take some off, if you just plan on holding the whole thing, 10 micros cost a lot more than one mini. Even though the premium is exactly the same when you do that, you get charged way higher fees. All right? So I need you to know that. It's like $30 in fees, I believe, 15 each way if you guys do 10 micros, where it's only going to cost about $4.50 each way, so about $9, right? If you just do one mini. So just to give you a heads up. That's a little tip for you too, Ange, when you guys are talking about micros versus minis. Okay, great. Oh, look at that. Apex Bit. First day VIP, 5% on whole account. Thank you, Nate. 5% whole account. First day in the VIP. How awesome is that?
Apex been on YouTube for the longest time.
Yes.
Congratulations on joining.
Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that is awesome. I have seen you around a lot. Glad to have you in here. Now, what did you sign up for, Apex? You got the 30-day VIP. Is that what you're in here with?
Yes, sir. You
Well-
gifted it to me yesterday.
Oh. Why?
I spent all day yesterday watching your videos, the VIP videos.
Yes.
I got up at 2:30 this morning and got in there with Nate, listened to him,
Yes.
and
Good
it was
job.
amazing.
Yeah, good job. Isn't it a lot different on the other side?
I'm telling you.
Yeah, it's like it's night and day different from everybody watching on free to what we have over here. It's not even the same thing at all. Nice job. Glad to have you here, partner.
Glad to be here, sir.
Riot, if you guys remember me first thing this morning, I told you to keep an eye on crypto, right? Look at Riot. 5.5%. Did anybody listen when I said that this morning? Coin, 4%. It was the first thing that came out of my mouth. Mara, 3%.
Yes, it was. You said it this morning,
Yep,
Coach.
first thing, right? MSTR, 2%.
Coin.
Yeah, all of them, man. Another huge monster day, right? Look at Coin, 4.5%.
Yes, sir.
SPY continuing to climb. Who's still in SPY?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yes, I am.
Now remember, keep your little dirty hands off the mouse. The farther that goes away from where you entered, the more you leave it the hell alone, the more room you give it, not less. In the beginning of the trade, you can have a tighter stop. The longer the trade goes, the looser the stop. Let it work a little bit more, right? Don't be so aggressive to get out of it. You're already in such a giant profit zone. Stop dinking around with it.
Yes, I don't know why, but that's my thing. It starts going up, and I kind of follow it so close instead of letting
Yeah,
it
leave it
keep a little bigger
alone.
gap.
Yep. The reason is, everybody, is because when you see green, you want to take it. When you see red,
Yeah,
though, you leave it
I get
alone.
greedy.
Yeah, you get
Yeah.
greedy. Yeah, leave it alone, man.
Jesus,
This is why I tell you, though, if you guys do the shedding technique, it will help you. I'm telling you, it'll help your brain. This is why I always say, take out some, not all, right? It'll hopefully.
One thing that
help.
helps is if when you only see one little red candle sprinkled in here and there, it
Yep.
tells you it's still going the right direction until you get like 2 or 3 coming back at you.
Right.
But that occasional little pause with a red candle should tell you nothing. And people shit their pants on a one red candle all the time.
They do. And it's always because they're in too heavy or because they've been on such a losing streak that they just want to collect anything that's green. Guys, when you do that, you'll never get ahead in this. If you are always just taking money off the second it goes green, you'll never get ahead. The reason is because most of you, right, will allow the red trades to go longer than you allow the green trades to go green. You got to flip that. You have to.
Why
flip
is that, Coach?
It's a mental thing. I'm telling you, it's a mental.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah, it is.
Yesterday, it was $50 lost, $30 lost,
Right.
$100 lost. and I would like leave it. Today it's like $10 win, it's $10 win, and I take it out right away.
Yes, that's why I
It's
tell you guys though, right? And this is why I want you guys do one, just man, one share, one contract, one something. I don't care if it comes back and it's break even, because what was here's what we're trying to train. We are trying to train and condition our brains. Stop worrying about making $60 today. You know what I'd rather you did? I'd rather you would have bought the damn thing down here with one contract and you let this son of a gun ride forever. And I don't even give a crap if it came all the way back. I'm not telling you guys to lose money, but I need your minds right. Stop getting out of these trades. If you bought it here, what the hell are you looking at anywhere in this area for? None of that you should be looking at.
It's crazy.
Leave
It's
it alone.
crazy.
But now I want you to look at the flip side. This is what's rough. If you would have got in here and it was doing this, how much you want to bet 90% of this room would have stayed in this trade on a losing trade?
Me.
Yeah, struggle with both of that.
Yep. So
You're so right, Coach.
So why
Yes,
aren't
sir.
we allowing this one? Why is it only the 10% that'll allow this one to be in a winning trade?
No idea, coach. But that happens to me all the time. Chinga.
Right? So today, starting today, this is November. I've been saying this for years, right? The psychology of trading. I've been telling you this for years and how to do it. I say it every damn day. It's in my rules. Allow the runners to run. It's literally in my rules. It's the first thing we say, and we say it every single day. So I need you guys. It's November 1st. What are you guys going to write in your journal today? You're going to write, until my mind is right, I'm going to go in the smallest position size I've ever traded in my life, and I'm going to let the runners run forever. I don't give a shit if it comes back to break even. And here's why. Until you can hold this trade forever, you're not going to get to the next level of trading. Your profits and loss are going to look like this. Right? This is what a yo-yo
Yes.
account looks like. Hopefully your yo-yo account looks more like this. Okay, because this is trending up. But let's be honest, if you guys are doing that, most likely it looks like this. Trending down, meaning losing money over time because you keep doing the exact same stupid thing over and over. So I am telling you right now on November 1st, 2024, put it in your frickin' journal. By the way, if you don't have your journal out right now, you will fail. I'm telling you right now. I'm looking right in your face. If 404 of you right now are not holding your journals, you will fail this month. I'm just telling you. Pick it up. Put it in your hand. If you're like, shit, I don't even know where it's at. You better find it. You
It's
better
in my
find
hand.
it. You better go
Coach,
find
get
it.
it. My head and I'm writing
Yep.
because this is me every day.
Yeah, go get
I
it.
let the losers go
Go get
forever
it.
and I lose a couple $100.
Who's got the journal in their hand right now? I want
do,
everybody in the
Coach.
room.
I do.
Come on.
I got it.
I do,
Right
Coach.
here.
Just
Come
pick
on.
Oh yeah,
I
You
do.
posted it in the
I
chat.
should have something
I
good to write
do.
in it. So.
I have it.
I got it. I got it.
two journals.
I don't have one.
Come on.
Oh,
You better go get one. Now listen, this is how
I have
serious.
two.
Yeah, this is how serious I am. Right? I got 3 in front of me. They go everywhere I go. I'm not kidding. One of these always finds a way. I have to shake it so you guys can see it because it hides it with a green screen. One of these goes with me everywhere I go all the time forever. And I hate writing, right? I'm being serious. You must have your journal. This is November 1st, 2024. You guys are going to do that. I'm not going to say a name, but I want to show you guys something because there's no name associated to this. I'm going to post this right now in the membership lounge. I'm going to post this. There's no name on this. So if this is you, don't say anything. I got sent this yesterday. This is all we've been working on with this person. Let me flip my screen. This is the first time ever a full month green every single day, the entire month green. How many of you in this room would like to have an entire month of green?
I would.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
definitely
sir.
would.
Absolutely.
Here.
For sure.
Here's. Who
Yes, sir.
wouldn't?
It's every day. Let me show you guys. I'm going to flip my screen. Give me one moment. I just put it for the free area. Paid members right here.
Who do I have to kill for
Right.
full month of green?
You know what's funny? Do you guys all want to know what changed?
Mindset.
Generally.
Position size.
Yeah.
Nothing
That's the
else
key.
changed. Not one thing. I'm telling you. Position size controlled the entire thing.
Emotion.
Yep. No emotions. No emotions to this trade. Right? And now I'm going to flip my screen because I want to read exactly what this person said. But I need you guys to understand. So when I'm talking up here, and I know I'm taking time on this, right? I don't care. This is where I need you guys all to be. I want you guys to understand when I say these little things, they mean something. There should be weight to this. Same like this. If you guys got on SPY and you had a small amount, you had lower risk, and your reward is higher, and now you can stay in it. It's not moving all violently and crazy. It'll keep your mind right. Right? In the mentorship room yesterday, I gave everybody the keys to the golden kingdom in my mentorship program yesterday. I told them all how to become a millionaire from day trading in the mentorship program. Everybody got that advice. Am I right, mentors? Where are you at, mentorees?
What's up?
Didn't I give
Yes, you did.
everybody
Yes,
advice on how to
yes,
become a
yes.
millionaire trader yesterday?
That's right.
So right here.
Absolutely, you did.
So listen, this is a conversation I had with this person yesterday at noon. If this is you, don't say it. As soon as that was posted back to me, because we've been talking back and forth trying to get this situated, and I showed off of these are small trades, small base hits. You guys realize that that added up monthly earnings. Now remember, coming from a red every month to small position size, base hits, green for the month. The difference became losing every month to this person made $4,689.59. I said, look how much your small amounts profited this month instead of losing money. And they said, yes, because if I'm in a bad trade losing an amount that's so small, it's easy to cover on the next trade. That's all that changed, gang. Right? And then with
Say
that
again, coach, please. Say that again.
the last part,
Yes, sir. Of that.
the person said, it's because if I'm in a bad trade and I lose an amount, it's easy to cover on the next trade because it doesn't blow up your account.
You're right. Yeah. Yeah.
How many of you get into a trade, it wrecks your account for the day, you're done, you're cooked, you're out, toast. Or you'll get into the next big trade, you lose more. You'll double down, you think it's the casino, you'll lose more. Next thing you know, you lost 50% of your account. Small wins the day. So again, this person went from red every single month to making almost $5,000 by going in smaller. Do you see how powerful that is? Do you see how that's opposite of what you think you need to do? Again, allow the runners to run, leave them alone, let them work, go in smaller, Stop swinging for the fences. And I know I'm talking to 90% of you right now. Show of hands. Who's still going in too big? Show of hands. Come on. I know you are.
Yes, sir. I am.
Come on.
I still do actually sometimes.
Yep.
For
So
sure.
do I. So do I. I'm first to admit it. So do
Same
I.
here.
Yep.
And then I get scared out too soon, and I
I'll
miss
take
out a
my profit
shitload.
too early. Or going too
I do
late.
it too.
Yep.
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 We all have it.
We do. So what are we going to work on in the month of November? Small
Way too
position
late.
size.
Yeah.
Let them work. Leave it alone. That's what our goal is for November. Can we all do that?
Yes, coach.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Write
Yes,
it on
coach.
just write
Yep,
it on your
writing
journal.
on it.
Listen, what do you have to lose? Because I'm telling you right now, a lot of you keep losing money every month. You know what you'll have to lose? And this is the crazy part. Let's say on average every month you're losing $500. Let's say you just cannot break this rut. Guess what? You know what the only thing is that you're going to have to lose? Less money. Because if you're trading with less, you will lose less. So guess what you'll get out of this skill that we're going to learn in the month of November? Instead of losing 500, you might only lose 50 now or 100. So what do you have to lose? Making money? Oh, sorry. So that's what I need from you, especially those of you that are on the struggle bus. I need you to go in smaller. The whole month of November. The whole month. I swear, don't you dare come to me with one day you change it. You don't get to do that. You're not listening to what I'm telling you, right? This is me being your coach the whole month of November. You don't get to make the rules. I make the rules.
Promise, coach. 100%.
Good. And I want it journaled every day.
I will.
Every day. And I need to know about it every day. And I swear, I'll grab you right by the face mask if you tell me one time, Coach, but on Friday, I decided to go in 6 times my normal on that small, and then I wrecked my account. Don't be that. Don't do that. I'll set your ass on that bench so fast because you can't follow some basic ass damn rules. Don't you do it. I mean it. Small. Hell, those of you that are being successful, I want you to go in smaller. I want you to go in smaller. I want you to allow the runners to run. I want you guys to see what it looks like, right? I want you guys to see what it looks like. Yeah, I have to, Danny. Listen, I'm a coach in real life. I've been coaching my whole life. Sports and athletics and all sorts of stuff, right? Training. I've trained thousands of people in the real world to do everything. It's always been my job to coach and to train. And I always use KISS. Keep it simple and stupid, right? This is one of those things. It's the most basic and simple thing we could do, but yet no one will do it and still wonder why they're not finding success. Guys, it's right in my rules. I say it every day, but because you guys hear the same thing every single day, right? Oh, I'm not going to listen to this part. I'm going to go get my cup of coffee during that 6 minutes of coach's sales spiel. I say it every day. It's in my rules, right? So again, the month of November, here's what I want from everybody in this room. How many people are in here with me? I've got 400 people in my Zoom, 120 people on my TikTok, probably 30 or 40 on YouTube, probably 15 on Twitch, probably 10 on Facebook, and probably another 6 on LinkedIn. Every single one of you, every day, I'm going to be your accountability partner. When you're in the live, post it. Did you follow the rules? So if you're on YouTube, you'll post it. Over on Twitch, I don't care if you're free or not, you'll post it. Over on TikTok, did you follow the rules today? You will post it every day when you come in. First thing you'll do when you will post is if you followed the rules the day before. This is your homework, all of your homework. If you guys are a part of my paid membership, you will post in that profits and loss every day so that we can hold you accountable. If you don't want to post what you made, post a percentage. Nobody knows what the hell that is, right? I need you guys to hold yourselves accountable so I can get you to the next step. If you guys are sitting over there in silence and losing your money and then we never see you again, I didn't get to help you because you can't follow the rules. So you all have homework. Every moderators, we need to remember this because I get doing a million things. It's Friday. Come Monday, I've already done 8 million things and worked 40 more hours by the time Sunday night gets here. So moderators, every day. Coach, did everybody hold themselves accountable? Is it posted on every platform and in the profits and loss? Did everybody post it? That is your homework, because I'm going to see what kind of change we can make in November. Deal?
I love it.
Deal, coach.
Yep. I think this is
Deal,
where we
coach.
will start.
Coach,
Deal.
just a quick side note.
Yeah.
I kept track on an average when I went in heavy
Yep.
and how much it could have gone further. So I leave it on my sheet and don't let it clear. So it digitally like checks it.
Yeah.
On an average, 30 to 40% and as much as 60 to 65% more had I let those things go. Because and those are some of my best trading days ever.
Yeah.
So those are 5-digit numbers that I could have added on over the course of some time. So
Right.
I don't care how long you've been at it. It's a challenge,
That's
and
true.
position size is it. And I get greedy every once in a while. I go in too heavy, and
Yep.
but yeah, anywhere from 30 to 40% on average, as much as 60 to 65% of the trade. So that's a lot of money.
Yeah, we're leaving a lot on the table. And here's what's even crazier on the flip side of that, because Palm is really good with, risk management. For most of you, though, it's worse than that, because you guys will go in much heavier and lose much more, right? Because you guys know the heavier you go, the more risk you put on the table. So actually, there are two things that are happening here. We're lowering the risk and we're increasing our reward. And you guys don't understand that. You keep thinking you need all this money to make all this money. That is not true at all. It is actually the opposite. The more risk you have, the more you will lose, most likely, until you become a successful trader, right? So you guys need to look at this from another standpoint. Lower risk, higher reward, and the only thing you've done is lowered the amount you're using. Stop thinking you need a lot of money to make a lot of money. If you are not at the table making money consistently all the time, every month is green, this means more to you than anything. I'm telling you right now. I cannot stress it enough. As your coach, somebody who I literally get paid millions of dollars to do this, by the way, and this is no brag, no humble. You guys pay me tons of money to let you know how this. I'm telling you, if there was one piece of advice I could give you today on November 1st in 2024, it would be smaller position sizes, less risk, more reward. I need you to do this. Now listen, because I spoke so much on this, and I promise you, every other person out there, every guru you see is now watching our live. It's funny. Every time, as soon as they get done with their lives, they come over and watch us. I know, because they call me on the phone and they talk to me and stuff. They literally come here. So you guys are going to start to see some videos now coming out from everybody else using this. And that's okay. I don't mind it. I mean, it'd be great if they're like, hey, the coach, but I get it. You don't want people to know that all your information is coming from me. I get it. I understand. But I'm telling you today, I need all of you November 1st to do the same thing. Can we all agree? Is everybody going to follow this rule? Or am I just talking and losing money for the last 30 minutes? Because people will get drowned out. They'll disappear. I didn't get to sell any products and services. I didn't make any money doing this, by the way. I hope you guys follow me.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, coach.
Yes.
I'll follow it. I'll do it.
Of course, coach, we're gonna follow the rules.
100%.
follow the rules.
Yabba dabba do.
Good.
Yes,
Coach,
coach.
just did it on Lily
Yes, coach.
puts, coach. $300 went to 580
Yeah,
on
coach.
out.
Yes. Yes, yes.
I think I'm going all in.
Great job. Yeah, go all in with the notes. For sure. Nice job, everybody. So please follow the rules. If you guys are watching for free, by the way, I've got some hands up. I'll grab you. If you guys are watching for free, literally go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, sign up for the Discord. Listen, if you don't want to pay for any membership, don't. It's okay, right? Until you are comfortable, until you trust what we're doing, until you see the difference of what we are, right? I don't mind at all. I'm serious. I've had people that have watched us for free for a year before they come over and join a membership. Whatever it takes. We're not trying to hard sell you on anything. I will tell you this. Obviously, when you're a paid member, you get way more services, way more resources. You get to work with up to 20 moderators, right? Self-made millionaires. All of the content, all of the resources we have. Obviously, you'll put yourself in a better position. But I also don't want you to spend a penny until you're comfortable, until you're confident, and until you trust what I am saying and what other people in the room are saying. This is not a hard sell at all. I want you guys to be comfortable. You guys know from the day one, I've told you, if you invest your time or your money with us, I will work my butt off diligently forever and continue to provide as many and the best services and technology anywhere you will find. And hopefully you guys know by now, after doing this for 2 years, and the people that we have, either as a volunteer or full-time members, all of the live training that we provide, all of the videos that we do, me still sitting in the seat every single day. I hope you guys understand, right? We've been here 2 years and 3 months now, every day, consistently, without fail, helping as many people as we can. And we're changing lives every day, gang. So I got 3 hands up, and then I'm going to get the hell out of here. I know I said that I was going to leave early. Who cares? I want you guys to be successful. Again, this is not about my trading experience. This is about me training you for your trading experience. I need you guys to become the best stock market traders and investors you can. It will change your life, your family's life. You can then go on to train, right, your family members, or hopefully get them involved with American Dream Trading, et cetera, et cetera. Someday, some of you will become so good that you'll end up being our moderation team. Someday, if you're doing right more and more, you'll be a part of our payroll. You could actually work here at American Dream Trading. You guys will get to go to these cool meetups and meet people at American Dream Trading. You guys continue to help us to give money to charities, foundations, different things that we do inside of the group and helping other people. I mean, this is a full-blown family inside of this environment. I know other people talk about it, but we have proven it every single day. This isn't something new, right? Our entire foundation has been on people helping people. I know it's not great to market, but I'm telling you, it's been our entire foundation. All right. I got 4 hands up, and I'm out of here. Richard, go. Sorry, it sounds like I got, I think they're blowing the leaves outside, so I apologize for all the noise. Josh, go ahead. You got a hand up. Go.
Hey, good morning, Coach.
Morning.
I just want to make a quick announcement to whoever's a VIP Gold member. So there is that 90-day challenge. That's also a great accountability room if you are a gold member. So that is one of the perks you are paying for. And because I've been in that for a while now, but it kind of, it's like running with someone and they kind of fall out. So I've seen a lot of people start the 90-day challenge and I just don't see their name anymore.
That's right.
So I'd
Yeah.
highly encourage, if you're a VIP Gold, to stay with it. So
Yeah.
it gets lonely in there by myself.
Yep. And I see you every day when you're posting in there. I appreciate you.
Yeah, I'm on day 60.
I see
Here we
it.
go. So I got 30 more days.
Yes. Good for you, man. Nice job. Absolutely.
so-
We have a lot of resources. Take advantage of them. John, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Yeah, Coach. I mean, what you just said, I don't know how you read my mind. Only one person knows what I did yesterday.
Uh-oh.
I just started with cash yesterday.
Yep.
And was in forward. And when it slammed down, it slammed me because I was in way too big.
Yeah.
30% total account loss. Now, just I'm doing this to emphasize this to everybody else because I've been paper trading forward, 1 trade a day, and going through and been very successful for a whole month.
Yeah.
I've been successful just trading thousands of trades for 8 months, paper trading. Yesterday, first day in cash, got bold, got out there, and just got my face ripped off. So what you just said, we got to take that to heart.
Absolutely. And now here's what's wild, because I hear a lot of people that will say, I came from paper trading, I came into the real trading, and it wrecked my face. I bet you probably were not paper trading with the size that you went in on that first day of cash, right?
No, actually I was.
Oh, you were? Okay. So it just
yeah.
got you.
Yeah, I got swallowed up.
Gotcha. All right. 30% of your total account, you guys are allowed 1 to 3%, right? That's over 10x the size that following the rules that you guys should be losing in a day, right? So think about this. He does that 2 more times, he has no more money. Right? 2 more times you don't follow the rules, broke. That's tough. Thank you for letting us know, though. I like it when you guys are honest, because guess what? You're not going to get good until you're honest with yourself. I can tell you that right now. You just sit there lying to yourself every day and you keep loading it up like it's the damn slot machine. You're just going to lose every damn day. You need to be honest with yourselves. You have to be. This isn't the place to hide. You know, we have moderators that are always like, well, there are people suffering in silence. Well, you don't need to do that. You need to say, hey, I screwed up. What did you screw up on? Where's your journal? Where's your journal? You're suffering in silence because you don't want to admit what you're doing. You need to admit what you're doing, fix the problem. It's as simple as that. I'm telling you. All right.
Absolutely, coach. Let me just tell the gamblers real quick.
Yes.
All you got to do is target the pre-market, target the coach's voice. He talked to you 10 times this morning about SPY, and I caught the puts based on mastermind training. I've been in gold. Coach, your mastermind training first class taught me to do what I just did to go from $1,600 to $2,000 on this account.
That's awesome. Nice job. So I appreciate everybody being here. Don't forget, every single day from 2 to 4, Ange, our host over for Futures, will be live every day. A lot of it's going to be training. She's going to be looking at ES and oil and gold and all the other futures, right, that are going on over there. The NQs, right? ES and NQ, by the way, those are the 2 most popular that everybody's watching. She'll some days be doing, paper trading. Listen, I don't want any of my moderators. We get asked all the time. I don't want my moderators trading with real money while you are trying to train. I'm telling you, and I am the first one to admit it, right? My accounts have been wrecked constantly since I have been trying to do both. I have still not got the damn thing. The trainers that you guys see out there, right, that get to claim to fame that they're making so much money, none of them are training you. None are training you during that time. The people that are posting those huge P&Ls, not a single one worked with you at all during the live market. I need you to understand that. None of them. Right? And I'm talking about every one of them. You guys get to stare at them while they're making money. They ain't doing shit for you. I watch them they're not doing a single thing for you. You are watching them trade. It's like being on Twitch watching somebody play Call of Duty. You're not even actively involved in that. Then at the end of the year, they get to talk about what a great trader they are, but then they sell you a course, but they're not even helping you. We do that opposite here. My only job has nothing to do with me making any money because I've been getting my butt handed to me since I have been a full-time just trainer. But again, my job is only and always will be only to get you guys to where you should be. Has nothing to do with me. It's funny, if I had another trader come up, Coach, how much money you made? Nothing. I'm getting my ass handed to me in the market. Well, how can you possibly be training people if you are a terrible trader? It's not my job to trade. My job is to train you. And the proof is in the pudding, right? Ask our community. Look at our moderators. Look at the people that are finding success. It's not my trading success. And I see that all the time. You guys got it backward. If your trainer is all they're doing is they're making money, but they're not doing anything for you, that's not a trainer. That's just a full-time trader you're watching. I hope that makes sense, man, because we are not the same. We are not the same. And I see all of them, all of them. None of them do what we do. None of them. I'll be calling out things instead of being in the trade, making sure you SPY all day. Have you guys seen me today trade SPY, by the way, that went up? One of the highest gaining days ever for SPY?
Nope.
Not a penny.
I didn't make a penny. I didn't even trade future. I didn't make a penny. Called it the entire day, right? That is a 1% SPY move from open. It's one of the largest SPY moves you could possibly have in a single day. And I made sure all of you were getting paid. The other trainers They didn't tell you shit, and all they're doing is making money. So later on, they can tell you what a great portfolio they had at the end of the year, so they can sell you some sort of cheesy ass course. That ain't happening here, Chief. My only job is to make sure you guys are successful. It ain't about my success. It's about your success. And I hope you guys understand that. When you come in this room, it's all about you, not me. Completely different. So again, thank you guys for being here. Listen, I'm out. I appreciate it. Again, if you guys want to join us, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Thank you again to all of my moderators. Bruno, Dawn, Paul at the Beach, Miranda on Happily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, Palmcoast, Ange, and Aaron. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We appreciate you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you,
Love your
Coach.
face.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend. Any homework?
Yeah,
brother.
Yep.
We love your face, Coach.
Love
Thank
you
you,
guys.
Coach.
Appreciate
Thank
you
you,
guys.
Coach, and have
I'm
a
almost
nice
at
weekend.
I'm
Thank
almost
you,
at
Coach.
10K, Coach.
You're
Your
almost at
life.
10K?
Again?
Oh my
Yep.
gosh.
Hi,
Go,
Coach.
E.
Let me hold on. Let me now listen.
I need to ringtone that laughter.
Now listen. That's 2 days for our moderator Eric, and in 2 days that's going to be $20,000 in 2 days, and he's 32, and he's 32 years old.
Coach, I think he needs the claps, man.
My gosh, absolutely, absolutely.
Congratulations, Eric.
That's
Way to go,
incredible.
Eric.
Let's go. Let's go.
You know what? We're going to start this off with something cool because we're all warriors in here, right? We're all warriors inside of this room. So since this is our November challenge, right? I think today, this weekend, we're going to watch Gladiator, especially since the new one's coming out. So everybody, Gladiator is going to be the homework. And we're going to start this November off with a bang. You guys are going to take your notes. Second I see you on Monday, everybody in every room, everywhere, is going to let me know if you followed the rules today, which is Friday on the 1st. You guys, we're all going to hold each other accountable for the month of November and wait until you see the changes that will happen in you, not only in the stock market, but everything around you. So I'm going to send you guys good positive vibes and energy. And as always, as soon as I get done with this, I take my hat off and I'm going to pray for all of you, whether you're praying people or not. I do it every single day. Put God's protective shield all over your faces, your families, helping you with your health, your wealth, your finances, your spirituality, everything here at American Dream Trading. I love you guys. I'm out. See ya.
See you, Coach.
Thank you, Coach.
Have a great
Coach.
day.